Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm here in Australia and I'm still warm. This is from Susan Tansney, and she is from England. Susan is a long time subby of mine, like a lot of you would be anyway, and she sent me her entry into my challenge. Now I've come in here without a glass of water, which is not a good idea with me, especially when I talk so much, but we'll try to get our way through. Now we've got some really nice ribbon, thank you, lovely piece of ribbon, got a nice piece of paper. Don't think I'm going to be able to salvage much of it. Oh well, here we go, we'll do our best, won't we? It's the sticky tape that does it to us, isn't it? Oh, look at this. Oh wow. Oh dear, this is not good, me coughing all the way through this. I hope I don't. Oh, thank you very much for this, Susan. That's very kind of you. I've got all these ladies by the name of Susan, and I hope I don't get you all mixed up. That one there was from Susan too, wasn't it? No, Sue Freeman. Well, you say his name's different. Now what, oh my goodness me, I've got some goodies. Oh look, look at the flower. Oh, isn't this cool? Oh, love that. And that there little thing she's made, look at that, put all them tiny little, oh, isn't that a neat idea? She's put all them little tiny things around in there. I haven't got orange peel on me, I did wash my hands, but you can never sort of get it off, can you? Isn't this nice? Oh, isn't that pretty? And I love the colour. Love the colour. Oh wow, this is neat. She's got that bit there stuffed with a bit of stuff and make it sit out nicely. It's the fabric that she's done it with. Awesome, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, Susan. Thank you so much. And oh my goodness, here's another one and another one. Look at these. Oh, aren't they beautiful? Okay, I'm thinking I know. I've seen your work. Isn't this terrible? Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I'm not saying this is terrible. My memory's terrible. This is awesome. Absolutely amazing. I love the fabric. This has made it feel so nice. And this one? Oh, wow. Look at them. Aren't they lovely? Oh, thank you so much. Let's have a look at the card. I'm throwing everything around there. I better have a look at the card. Oh dear, just for you. There's a lot of writing down here. Okay. Hello Sonia, I've sent you a piece of fabric. I didn't know which piece to send, so I sent both. Oh, okay. She sent me two, yeah. I hope, dear lady, that you're feeling a little easier than the other day. Yes, I do feel a lot better. Thank you very much. I've improved a lot. You've over 6,000 subbies who love you, Sonia. You then concentrate on them. I'm going to do that from now on, yes. I live alone, and first thing I do in the morning is to look to see if you've put up a video. Isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. And thousands of others will do the same. Okay, darling. By the way, I love your hands. You can thread needle like no other. Look after yourself, sweetie, and give my best to Jeremy. That is so kind of you, Susan. You are very nice. Thank you so much, darling. These are the most beautiful, amazing flowers. I love them so, so much. They are, oh, they are so beautiful. Thank you. I won't be putting them on anything I'm going to give away. I'll be keeping, but so I want to keep a lot of things that people send to me anyway, because I don't want to give it all away, you know. And I've got some really nice doilies here. Look at this. Oh, isn't that nice? I can leave him like that, or I can cut him up. It doesn't matter, I don't think. We can cut this apart because they're just got one row. It's not like knitting. If you take it undone, it just falls to pieces. That's really nice. Thank you so much for them. And look at this I've got here. Oh, I've got some beads. Lots of beads. Oh, wow. On a string. Oh, it's a tassel. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at the work would have been put into that. Oh, wow. Could put a flower on that one. Look Yeah, isn't that cool? Oh, Susan, thank you so much. And this is the piece for my entry, okay? Look at that. Oh, goodness gracious me, isn't this awesome? Oh, thank you. It is so neat. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you very, very much. It's all been embroidered on there. Isn't that pretty? And there's a... Oh wow, it's all machine embroidered. Looks like it might be a little tiny bit old too, you know, like it's been about for a while. Isn't it nice, people? Everybody look at this. Wow. You know what, way back I used to think I'd like one of these machines to do this. But then I thought, no, do it yourself. You know, and it is good to have this and to do it with the machine, I'm sure, but it is really good to do it yourself too. It you know, it's always special too, but so is this. So thank you very much for this, Susan. I really love it. Thank you so much for sending me this and for sharing with me these beautiful flowers. Love these beautiful flowers. And the ribbon and the tassel and your lovely card. Thank you so much. And I do feel so much better. And I think it's because, I know it's too, because of all you lovely people that keep sending me such wonderful comments on the internet, and I love to read your comments, and I can't answer them all, I'm sorry, but I do leave a little hard on sometimes a comment if I can, and it just depends. If you want to know something, I will answer your questions, but it takes a long time to do that, and then I miss out on time that I could be doing something else that was to do with craft, eh? But anyway, thank you so much for these beautiful things, and I'll come back on here as soon as I've got everything sorted out, to get myself sorted and handling everything, because there's a lot to do when you're doing these sort of things, you know. Okay, thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.